And I'm just taking the Wrangler down to Off-Road Addiction to get a 4.5-inch Evo lift put into it and my 37-inch KO2s. This is Gendel Overland, brought to you by London, Ontario Jeeps. Getting the mods done on this Jeep made me feel like a kid at Christmas time. It was only 20 minutes down the road, but I just couldn't get there fast enough. I finally arrived at Off-Road Addiction, and I figured it'd be a good time to do a once-over, showing you the stock 35-inch wheels and tires and the suspension height from when it left the factory. Doing a quick measurement has it sitting at 40.5 inches. My buddy Rob in the lifted Gladiator once again brought me over to Off-Road Addiction to pick up my Jeep. Once we get there, I noticed that one of the employees was already outside taking photos, which is exactly what I plan on doing as soon as I get out of the Jeep for my Facebook and Instagram social media pages. From what it was sitting at 40.5 inches pre-lift height, it's now 46.25. Now that the lift is complete, I just had to take it up onto these rocks in hopes to get a good view of underneath and to show you the parts that I used. For this build, I went with a Teraflex suspension using 4.5-inch Evo springs, Falcon shocks and steering stabilizer, and the Teraflex Alpine adjustable control arm kit for the front and back, making this Jeep an unstoppable rock-crawling monster. For the wheels, I decided to go with 17-inch fuel vector rims in bronze color and 37-inch BFGoodrich KO2s. With the 4.5-inch lift and the 37-inch tires, I'm ready to hit some trails. I want to thank the gang at Off-Road Addiction for doing an amazing job on this lift. Remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. See you next week.